Do you want to learn the proper way to fold your socks? Well, I'm going to show you 3 different ways with 3 different socks, so stay tuned. Hey guys, Erin here with Wardrobe Hackers. I bet you never thought that there's actually a proper way to fold your socks. Well, there is. So socks can be pretty pricey, and what you want to do is you want to get the most use out of your sock as you can since you're spending quite a bit of money on them. Now, I want to show you 3 different ways to properly fold your socks. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the dress sock first. Got my 2 dress socks here. Now, this is actually a man's sock, but this can also be used for women's socks and kids' socks, all right? So all these methods can be used for everybody. So with the dress sock, what you want is you want to really, you want to save the elastic that's up here. That's really the main point of this fold. And I like to use the KonMari method for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay our sock down and we're going to fold the top to the toe, all right? Just like that, super simple. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold the toe in, all right? And then it's going to look like a TP. It's just how we also do our t-shirts as well with the KonMari method. Now, what this does, it's going to preserve the elastic that you have so that you can wear your socks for years to come and not only get a few uses out of them. What you can do is then line them up in your drawer and you'll be able to see all of the socks that you have, all your dress socks and all the cool styles that you've got. All right, so that's my dress sock method, the KonMari method. All right, let's talk about athletic socks, all right? Now, we've got our 2 socks here, our athletic socks, and what I like to do with this is it's going to be called the roll and tuck. Now, what you're going to want to do is place them on top of each other, all right? We're going to roll one top into just a little bit into the middle here, all right? And then we're going to roll our toe up towards that piece right here, and then we're going to tuck it in with our other sock. Everything is going to get tucked in, all right? And there you got it. Perfect way to fold your athletic socks. All right, probably my favorite sock is the no-show. I don't like for people to see my socks when I wear tennis shoes. It's kind of, you know, it's just something that I like to wear, are my no-shows. Now with these can be hard to fold. So what I like to do is I like to take my one and I like to just stick it in the other, just like this. So it's basically going to look like it's one sock, but it's really actually both socks together. And then you can just throw them in your drawer together and they're perfectly in there. So super simple. These are 3 simple, easy ways to fold socks that are really just going to give you a lot more longevity with them. All right, you guys, hope that you have found this helpful. If so, you can give us some thumbs up. You can follow us on YouTube at Wardrobe Hackers. Follow us on social media. Thanks, you guys, and we'll see you next time.